Invasion alert! Armyworms unleash devastating grass massacre in Emporia. Imagine waking up to find your pristine lawn transformed into a barren wasteland. That's exactly what's happening right now in Emporia, and homeowners are on high alert. These tiny green invaders are staging a full-scale assault on local landscapes, and the damage is nothing short of shocking. Travis Carmichael, the Lyon County Extension horticulturist, is sounding the alarm about these destructive pests that are currently wreaking havoc across the region. But here's where it gets interesting. These aren't your average garden nuisances. Armyworms are stealthy little destroyers, ranging from a minuscule 0.075 inches when young to a more substantial 1.5 inches in adulthood. Their dark green coloration allows them to blend seamlessly into grass, making them nearly invisible until significant damage occurs. And this is the part most people miss. They're not just crawling, they're literally mowing down grass with terrifying efficiency. Carmichael warns that these voracious insects can decimate entire lawns in record time, turning lush green spaces into brown, lifeless patches. But don't panic just yet. There are effective defense strategies. Treatment options include chemical sprays containing permethrin or similar compounds, which offer robust protection. For the environmentally conscious, neem oil presents an alternative solution, though Carmichael emphasizes that permethrin-based treatments provide longer-lasting results. A crucial tip for pet owners: once the treated areas are completely dry, it's safe for dogs to roam freely. Controversial question: are these armyworms a natural ecological phenomenon or a sign of broader environmental disruption? We invite local gardeners and environmental enthusiasts to share their perspectives in the comments below. For those seeking more in-depth information, the K-State Research and Extension offers comprehensive resources on managing these destructive fall armyworms. Stay informed, stay prepared, and protect your green spaces.